How to change 2.4 GHz to 5 GHz Wi-Fi on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can change 2.4 GHz to 5 GHz Wi-Fi on your Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to click on the search icon and in the search bar type in ncpa.cpl. From your search result, head over to this one that says control panel item. That's gonna take you to the network connections. Here you have to select your Wi-Fi, right click on it, and then head towards properties. Under properties, click on configure button. Once you're here, now go to the advanced tab, and here you have to click on channel width for 5 GHz. Then under value, click on this drop down and here select auto. Once you're here, now head towards preferred band and again under value, click on this drop down and here select prefer 5 GHz. Once you're done with that, now click on OK. And after that, you have to restart your PC and that's it. You have changed your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi to 5 GHz. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.